Hello, today I wanted to share with you this wearable hands-free breast pump by Mammanuwa. For reference, I am a mother of 5 with one on the way, and I have a really old breast pump. When I say really old, it is from like 12, 13 years ago. It still works, but times have changed. I don't have really time, like me just sitting there all the time and having to hold a breast pump up to me. I just don't have time for that these days. And so I love the practicality of something like these where you can just slip them in your bra and go about your day, however that be. I actually have not used this necessarily. I did just test it out for just a little bit. I just wanted to know what it felt like before I talk to y'all about these. But because I'm expecting, I did not really want to full-blown try to use these right now. But here they are. They just fit in the palm of your hand. They do stick out a little bit, which all breast pumps that I've seen like these do. People act like you can wear these out in public and all the things. And yeah, you can, but I'll be honest with you. I put these on earlier. I'll show you. I put these on and it does not look natural. It doesn't. It might on some people, but it just doesn't on me. Maybe if I was wearing a huge oversized sweatshirt, I could get away with it. Okay, so here they are on. I don't know if you can really tell much on camera. It's just not natural looking. If you were to wear these necessarily out in public, I mean, you could still get away with it. It's still very discreet in a way, but definitely using these at home, even in the car and stuff, like, oh my gosh, how convenient, right? So I love these. I can totally see these working and fitting into my life. I did try one just to kind of, I guess, get sensation, see what it felt like. Honestly, first impression, I am loving these. And I honestly wish I had these like 12, 13 years ago. Okay, so here they are. And then here in the back, this is where you'd put your nipple and stuff like that. Just fitting it in your bra like you saw. On top here is the motor, this part, and on top is, the very top is an on button, and you will want to hold that down until it comes on. Then down here, you will see like a little, like, it looks like a pause button, but that's where you turn it on. And then, can you hear that? Like, that's what it sounds like. So you don't, I don't know, to me, I'm like, I don't think I'd necessarily want to be pumping out in public because people could hear it. This is level 2, level 3, level 4, those longer squeezes. That's 9. And then you can adjust it going back down on the other side. You can also have it to go off for so many minutes and such like that. I can just see how practical this is, and I'm loving it. So just to turn it off, you just hold down that button till the screen goes black again. Once you've got your milk in here, which by the way, there is, you can see this one is milliliters, and then on this side is ounces. I don't know if it's going to show up on here very well, but you see these like lines? It's showing you how much milk was produced at that time. But before you pour the milk, it is very, very important to pop off the motor. And then you're just going to pour it like this. There's a little hole right here, and that is where the milk will come out of, and it comes out super easy. To charge it, you have these USB-C charging ports, and it actually comes with 2 charging cord. One end has the USB end and the other end is the USB-C. It does not come with the charging box that you would put in an outlet like that. So you will need to make sure you have that. You will need to make sure you have either 2 or one that has like, you could put 2 USBs in it at the same time. So there is that. It comes with extra like flanges and stuff like that, and they are marked like 21 millimeter or whatever. And if you're unsure of what that is basically, you know, every woman is made different. Our boobs, our breasts are different sizes, and that includes our nipples. And so it does also come with this like handy nipple measuring tool, and they are marked like 21 millimeter, 24, 19, 15, 13, whatever. So it does not come with every size, But you could use these and figure out what you need, which one you need. And they have a couple different options here. So I think that's pretty handy, something very thoughtful. Also comes with a couple bra strap extenders for, like nursing bras, pulling them down and stuff. It comes with a couple extenders for that, which I think is also another just little thoughtful feature they thought of. So here's the inside of the case, just so you can see how compact it is. And then all those little things I showed you, the charging cords, the bra straps, the nipple measurement, and the extra phalanges and stuff can all fit nice and neat in there. So if you are looking for a very practical, very useful breast pump, it's relatively affordable compared to others on the market. This is great. Like I said, I wish I had this starting out like 13 years ago. I would have loved this back then. There you have it. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.